Nagkaka-pantay-pantay ang kanilang kagandahan. One line po tayo, mga kaibigan. One line. Madam? Ready na po tayo. Total naman, pinaghandaan niyo yung gabi. All of you look beautiful. Alam mo yan. Iisa lang ang mukha ko. Gaganda lahat. Di ba? Carla, sisimulan mo. Irampa ang tunay na beautiful vlogger. Ladies and gentlemen, rarampa na siya sa kanyang napakagandang black summer outfit. Ladies and gentlemen. Carla! Popular! Hey! Kalat mga kaibigan. Uy! Perfect! I love the most. Carla Popular. Fiancé. Beautiful fiancé. Queen. Uy. Mga kaibigan, we have just witnessed the beautiful angels. Marami pong angels ang kalaban, pero isang tao po ang kanilang mahigpitang kalaban. All the way from saan na po galing ba na? California. All the way from California, wearing a Filipiniana outfit and red dress with pink pedicure and manicure. Here she is to give us the best romp. Mga kaibigan, salubungin natin the one and only Ana Rita. Tatanggalin mo ba? Hindi makikita yung back dress niya. Palakpakan naman po natin ang Ana Rita and the Angels. Thank you so much. Pwede na po kayo umupo muna. Talagang grabing preparation. Yung natulog ng maaga, gumising ng maaga dahil excited na, natulog ng 6 p.m., nagising ng 3 a.m. At pumunta ng 1 p.m. pero nag-start ng 8 p.m. Ito po ay mag-uwi ng 1,000 pesos. The early birds, congratulations, Agnes Alesta, Javier De Leon, and Emmanuel Honest. Again, thank you and we appreciate all your effort. Thank you po for coming early, ang ating early bird. Kahit anong selebrasyon talaga, basta maagap ka, you deserve a reward. And for the dance competition, ang ating third placer will receive 1,000 pesos. Second placer will receive 2,000 pesos. And the winner will receive 3,000 pesos. Para sa ating dance competition, third place, congratulations to Brooks Banner! Tinatawagan ko ang Brooks Banner dito po sa unahan to receive your reward. Quick picture with Kalinga Prab. Congratulations! And our second place was at the dance competition. Congratulations! Oh my goodness! What a noise! Wow! Perfect! All the way from Samar. They will receive certificate and cash prize. Show me the grid! Heart, happy. Thank you po, Timoray. Salamat po. At syempre, ang ating winner, the grand winner. Congratulations kay Angels Batch 2. Tama ba? Batch 2, Batch 3. Sorry. Batch 3. Batch 3. Batch 3. Lahat na nag-perform, batch 3. Picture. Congratulations! Now we have the best dress and the star of the night. Kanina po nakita natin ang performance ng ating mga samahan para sa ating best dress nominees. Congratulations! Ang ating best dress male category ay walang iba. Naku naman talaga. Agaw eksena, agaw, tingin, J. Brad! Iba matindi. You will receive a certificate, a sash, and a cash prize. Stay ka lang dyan, J. Brad, because andito yung partner, ang ating best dress. Congratulations! Ang iyong napakagandang kasuotan na nagdalas para sa mas napakagandang performance at napakagandang the one and only Bridger, our best dress. Also, she will receive a sash, certificate, and cash prize. for the male and female. Congratulations for the male category. You are the star of the night for this year's Year 2 of Kalinga Pon. Star of the night, Kalinga Parade. Wow! Nagbunga ang iyong pagsusuot ng rose. Yeah. Congratulations, Kalinga Parade. Female category. Walang iba, ikaw ang star ngayong gabi, Krista! Once again, palakpakan naman po natin ang best dressed and star of the night. Let's have a group picture. Okay, please stay. Huwag mo na uwi yung ating winners. Of course, we'll be having a acceptance speech. Then, because bihira lang ito, lalo na dito sa nakatanggap ng Best Dressed for the Male category. Ilang taon na ang Kalinga pero ngayon lamang po siya napansin dahil sa kanya na pinaghandaan outfit. Wow! How do you feel right now that you are the Best Dressed for the Male category? English, please. Anything would you like to say? Anything?
My mind is blacked out.
Aray ko. Ano na kaya mong sabihin?
Salamat sa taong thank you so much for one people who aray ka.
Aray ko.
Pass.
Because of that one people. Yeah. Sino ba nag-sponsor nito or kanil saan ba ito galing?
Gwapo nagsuot ito eh. Sobrang lang ako sa ligo.
Ganun ba yun? Okay. How about Bridget? You are the best dressed. What is your message? Ganito dapat ang sagutan mo.
Thank you so much po kay Tita Marcy. Si Tita Marcy po yung nag-dress up po sa akin kapag may events po. And never po siya nag-fail na mag-provide sa akin ng, syempre, ng outfits para po ma-feel ko na confident ako when I'm strutting the runway. And thank you po kala Kuya Rab, kala Kuya Val po. Kasi kung di po dahil sa kanila, wala po ako dito sa event na to. And thank you po kay Coach Rome.
Thank you so much sa ating best dressed male and female. Nako, familiar sa akin, grabe yung nagsuot na huling tao nito. Talagang apakagwapo nun, idol ko. Kaya naman pala nabasbasan. Kasi yung nagsuot nito, iba ka, isang pes mo lang. Oh, Ian. Ian. Rain.
Gusto ko talaga magpasalamat dito sa Bulacan. Babalik ko din po mamaya doon. Nahulog po kasi ito. Kaya nga, Beshi, thank you so much sa pagbigay. Ito talaga yung nagpanali. Balik ko na lang po, magkano po ba ito? Thank you, siyempre. Napaka-bless po na isa po ako sa napili dito sa Star of the Night dito sa Kalinga po. Thank you so much po. Siyempre, di Kalinga Franklin Uyoban at maraming salamat po sa opportunity na to. And ayun, maraming salamat po. Ibibigay po natin ito sa mga beneficiary po natin. Ayun.
And of course, si Jake.
Ayun po, syempre po, nagpapasalamat po kasi nag-sponsor po ng damit ko po. Ayun, maraming salamat po. At syempre sa mga pumunta din po, maraming salamat po sa inyo. kina Kuya, Kuya Rob, Kuya Gol, sa lahat po ng Team Kalingap na tumutulong pa rin. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Yun lang po.
Thank you very much. You deserve the award. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman natin. Mga mag-uwi ng kettle, ano to? Ceramic cooker, 1 oven toaster, and 1 brand new laptop from Angena. Sarap lang. Sarap bongga yan. Okay, we have 5 winners. Let's begin. Kettle. Electric kettle para sa'yo. Neri Concepcion. Ate Neri, tanggapin mo ang electric kettle. Bawal dyan magsaing. Na-picture na po? Okay na. Another electric kettle. From workers, Roland. To receive, we have Istarax. Wow. Another electric kettle. Asahin mo.
Ano to? Ay, natawag na to eh. Ito? Starax? Natawag na.
Kaya nga, bakit nandiyan siya ulit? Ulit. Ang dami pangalan, ha, bro? Ulit. Doon. Sino to?
Sino to? CD Moto? Sino to? Ha? Ayaw pala.
Anak ni Darlene. Anak ni Janice, anak ni Darling, anak ni Juicy. CD Moto. Amolo. CD Molo. Another electric kettle. Ombro Brian. Sponsor. Wala na? Wala na siya. Oy! Tiny! Billy Camacho! Tiny! Oto! Sige. Okay na. 5 electric kettle. Picture na. Ceramic cooker. Sige na. Lee Joy Vitero, beneficiary. Okay. Beneficiary ni Istarax. Ito na, ceramic cooker. Loveling Laborte. Loveling. Loveling Laborte. Luwela? Ito po, ano pangalan niyo po? Ikaw po sila, Blin. Mama ni Luwela. Oven toaster. From the beneficiary, Joben! Joben, ikaw ay mag-uwi na! Oben! May open si Joben! Wala. Joben! Nag-uwi na si Joben. Sayang, umuwi na si Joben. Meron sana siyang open. Dahil wala si Joben, iuwi mo ang open, Mary Joy Lorica. Wow! Congratulations!
Laptop. Ay, grabe. Laptop na lang.
Bunutin mo na, Kalinga Pra.
Laptop.
Okay, dahil grabe ang excitement, mamaya po natin i-award ng laptop. Dahil mabilis lang po ito, tatawagin natin Kuya Bal. Okay, dahil marami pa tayong award. Okay, we would like to recognize this people, the best reactor of the year from One Kalingap, One Family. Okay, certificate of recognition, Sangkay, Lords TV. Direct, Noelsa. Marzano TV. Maestro 21 TV. And July Power Meal. Of course, we would like to give certificate of recognition an official Carepa Reactor President under ACVP given this 29th of December, signed by Kuya Rap and Kuya Val. We have Mirador. Official KSSW Reactor President Marie Pineda. Chobilito TV Official. Official Kalingap Watchers President Sangkay Lords TV. Official Strikers and Reactor President Ate Glo. Official Kailong Team Reactor President Yang Mi. Certificate of recognition and official Carepa Reactor, Kuya Noli. Kuya Noli. Official Carepa Reactor, Miss M's Life. kay Watcher Reactor, Ana Rita Reyes. Maricel Arevalo, Noel Resuelio, Geng Geng Vlog,
Mirador.
Edgar Ella, Maya Vlog, Annalisa Reality Vlog, and Brenda Garcia. Also, we have Norlene Vlog, Roselski TV, Christine Fermosilio, Zaibon Subak, Jean Butayaw, Kalingap Kiel, Maricel Ochia, Baby Rhoda Vlog, My Vlog. Also, Jobelito TV Official, RJB Kamuyaw TV, Kristen Joy Capsaba, Nelly Adolfo, Maya Vlogs, Batang LU, Maylene Quinto,
Meron pa ID yan.
Cecil Bilbao de Haro,
ID.
Cristina Sebastian,
Yan na.
La Rosie Chapin Lizor, Hayat Zamoras, Mac TV Official, Kalingap Marie Pineda, Janice Sapigaw, and Kalingap Enerita Sario.
Paldo. Paldo.
Official Contemporary Actor, Certificate of Recognition to Teacher N. Angie De Vera, we would like to invite Teacher N. Certificate of Appreciation, attended as new Kalingap Defender, Federico Santos. Sir, may gusto daw po ba kayong sabihin?
Wala.
Pasensya na, wala. Salamat. Tsaka, basta masasabi ko lang, masaya sa Kalingap. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat po at kayo po yung masaya. Tawagin mo natin si Kuya Nolly and Teacher N. Sir Nolly and Teacher N, I'm giving you the floor.
Okay, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung araw ng pagkilala sa lahat ng mga charity vloggers na na-interview namin sa Kalingap Radyo Balitaan. So, Ito yung pinakahihintay ninyong moment to receive your certificate of recognition. So this certificate of recognition says Associations of Charity Bloggers of the Philippines, Team Kalingap, Certificate of Recognition. This is to certify that. Okay, babasahin ko muna kung ano yung nilalaman ng certificate. Is an official Kalingap charity blogger under ACVP given this 29th day of December 2025 during Kalingap Ball and Thanksgiving at Bel Air Resort, Barangay Lagon, Daet, Camarines Norte. One Kalingap, one family. Signed by Kalingap Rob Matubang, Vice President. Signed by Val Santos Matubang, President. Okay, so certificate of recognition is awarded to Kalingap Dan. Palakpakan po tayo, Kalingap Dan. May we ask Dendeng Emmy and Sis Darlene Black and Perilas to join us here, guys. Also, certificate of recognition is awarded to Fernando and Doromal Jr. Also, the same certificate of recognition is awarded to Maricel M. Cedro. Maricel M. Cedro. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Jobal Andre Bumatay. Jamal Andre Bumatay. Congratulations, Jubal! Palakpakan tayo kay Jubal sa kabila ng kanyang kapansanan, nakuha ka niyang maglingap sa ating kapwa. May lingap. Okay. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Red Saint Vlogs. Red Saint Vlogs, congratulations! Another certificate of recognition is a charity blogger under ACVP is awarded to Isla Bonita. Isla Bonita, congratulations! Also, a certificate of recognition is awarded to Jesus Ibonia. Palakpakan tayo mga katinga. Okay, another certificate of recognition is awarded to Jomar Jacob. Kalingap Jomar. Congratulations, Kalingap Jomar. Okay, another certificate of recognition is awarded to Kalingap Rain. Kalingap Rain. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Ati Perla Official.
All right, the next recipient of the certificate of recognition is Rhea Joy Olarte. And we would like to call on the next recipient of recognition, certificate of recognition is Billones Vlog. May we call on Roland Murillo. Another recipient is Alvin Caceres.
Bayad ka dyan.
Baso.
We would like to call on another recipient, Mr. Red Noveno.
Mga sugat yan.
Baso dami oh.
Yeah. The next recipient of the certificate of recognition is Rhoda Renacito. Diretso po tayo, mga kalinga. Next, we would like to call in Mr. Rex Love. We would like to call in also Mr. JP Alivio. Congratulations po sa ating lahat. Ang susunod naman po ay tinatawagan natin si Mr. Nathan Bernaldez. Next is Mr. Demetrio Atubang Jr.
Wala sa akin dyan. Aniwan ko kay Emperador.
Another recipient is Oscar Ancero Vinde. We would like to call in also Mr. Fernando Pitron.
Angel.
Hindi ko po, pwede po dito sa pagkakit. We would like to call in Ryan Rufon Aldarayan. Aldarayan. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Spes Aniedo. Neil De Leon. We would like to call in also Miss Agnes Jean Alesna. Diretso po tayo mga kaibigan. Mr. Roy P. Llorente. Ang aming kapatid sa harapan. Another recipient is Mr. Mark Jess Anasi.
Also, a certificate of recognition is awarded to Sam Asli. Congratulations, Sam Asli. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Kalingap Mikoy. Also, a certificate of recognition is awarded to David Cesar Zaniel. Please wear your IDs, mga Kalingap. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Joseph Angot. Mr. J, your certificate. And another certificate of recognition is awarded to Jonalyn Santos. Kalingap Jonah is not here. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Kalingap Vir